Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. A few years back, my husband and I made a commitment to ourselves to have a large salad as a meal, one time a day, year-round, to the best of our ability as much as possible. That includes warm months and cold months as well. Now, he's a college professor, so school is back in, and so I'm back to packing lunches, and it could be a hot food or it could be a salad. I wanted to show you how I pack a salad so that when he goes to eat it, it's not all soggy and mushy and gross, that sort of thing. And I made the salad today, or at least I made the vegetables today for his salad for tomorrow. And I want to show you how I do this so that it's not all soggied out by the time he goes to eat it. Now, what's important here is not so much what I put in these containers as how I separate the foods, okay? So this is the container that he's actually going to eat out of. It's large, and it's deliberately large so that he can toss the salad a little bit as he goes. And I've got in here some fruits and nuts and beans. This is a meatless salad, and other vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, some cucumbers and some yellow squash cut up, and some bell pepper, just green peas, kidney beans, and some grapes, and some cashews as well. And this is what he likes in his salad, and I do too. So anyway, I put in the large container that he's going to eat out of any salad component that can stand to sit in salad dressing for up to 4, 5, maybe even 6 hours, depending upon when his lunchtime is going to be for that day. And I do not put the salad dressing in it yet. That will go in the morning as I'm packing his lunch, and I'll tune back in the morning and show you what I do. But anyway, what goes in the bottom is what can stand to soak in salad dressing without getting all mushy. That's the important point. And then for the night, in a separate container, I have lettuce, and I'm also going to put some sprouts on top of everything, some broccoli sprouts. But a separate container has washed, cut up, ready to go lettuce, and we're just going to put lids on these and store them in the refrigerator just like they are for the night. And then in the morning, we're going to go from there. I'll show you what we do from there. It's morning, and I am ready to pack my husband's salad. So now here I have the tub again with the items that I don't mind being mixed up with salad dressing for, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours, maybe even as much as 6, depending upon when his lunch period is. So I'm just mixing up. This is a homemade raspberry dressing that I make. I think I've got this detailed in another video on how I make it, but that really is immaterial. Any dressing will do. And all I'm doing is just mixing this dressing really well with these items that will be okay, so being soaked in salad dressing for that number of hours. And so basically it's kind of like an upside down salad. So there's that much. And now I'm going to put on there the items that I don't want to have soaking all day. So we're going to top that with the lettuce that I had reserved. And I'm going to throw some broccoli sprouts on there. I know he likes those. We're just going to put those on the top because I really don't want those soaking in salad dressing all day. And now you see why I have a big container, because this gives him room to kind of toss it around a little bit when he's ready to eat it. And it's easier to maneuver that way when you've got a larger container than what you really need. He has a little dorm-sized refrigerator at work, so this will be kept in the refrigerator. If you like croutons with your salad, I would really suggest you just put those in a separate container, keep them dry, and then whoever's going to eat it, you can just add it at the last minute. Well, I do hope that this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.